Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can apply white place transition effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your videos or photos you want to edit, and you are just going to go to transition and you can find the white place and overlay. You just download it and apply, just for the duration in free. Alright, and 0.5 seconds or 0.3 second. Right, so just apply to all the clip and go to opaque, select the delay opaque, remove, and add the bit. Alright, so this is the final result you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.